Okay, so to solve this issue, all you need to do is go to your router, make sure to reboot it and plug it like for 30 seconds, then plug it back. After that, go back to your PC, close Minecraft and reopen it again, and usually it's good to go. If not, make sure to reboot your PC. If the problem still occurs, make sure to follow these steps. Okay, so first of all, go to the search bar, type view internet connections, go to the internet connection you're using, for me this one, right click, and then go to properties, scroll down, go to internet protocol version 4, select it and then go to properties. Make sure to select use the following DNS server addresses. In the preferred DNS server type 8888, in the alternate DNS server type 8844. Make sure to select validate settings upon exit and then click OK. After that click close. After that close this tab, go to the search bar, type cmd, click run as an administrator, and then make sure to run every single command of these. I'll leave it in the description. Okay, so after running all of the 3 commands, now you should close all the tabs and relaunch Minecraft and the error should be gone. Please, if this video is helpful, make sure you subscribe and see you on the next one.